So you just seen me assemble it. It doesn't take that long to assemble it. Still have to put the hardware in and a few more things. Right now it's just prime, so I have a few more things I have to add to it before I paint it. But this is going to be a display unit, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a two-tone, so it'll be two different colors to give a person the ideal of what they can do. They can make it custom to whatever they like. And I'm also do the same thing with the wood. I'm gonna probably stain it one color and then do a regular stain on the other side, just to give a person the idea that they can do different things, or they can just buy the treated wood or the colored wood or whatever they want to be installed inside of the stair. So it doesn't take a lot. Like I said, right now it's just sitting up there. I don't have it bolted down, so it's not firmly tight or nothing, but I'm gonna walk you around it. And like I say, right now I am making a display unit, so I still have a few things I got to do to it, but I wanted you to see that it's going to be very easy to put together. I got tops for these. Let's make it look real professional, and tops for the bottoms. And like I say, everything will be squared off and leveled up. Right now it's just put together, so just so you can see the display. But I really think this would be a good thing for, for the elderly community, for people in RV parks, mobile home parks, modular homes, and they want, something different. I can make you a step. I can make it your steps due to what you're looking for, as far as like what height, how wide you want them. If you want 2 rails instead of 1, or just 1 rail, if you need it on the left side instead of the right, or the right side instead of the left, all that can be done very easy. So my goal is to make it where it's easy to install, it's easy to haul and to carry around, and it gives you something new. It gives you a different approach as far as the look you're looking for at your home. So that's my goal with these. And like I say, this is just a display design. Hold on.